Custom home building is not simple, but HomeWrights is simply a better way to build a high-quality custom home. No matter what size, style, or budget you have in mind, HomeWrights Custom Homes offers you choices no other builder can. Choose from the owner-builder model or the turnkey model. Either approach is structured, transparent, and as simple as home building can get. HomeWrights Custom Homes, serving Boulder, Colorado Springs, Denver, Fort Collins, and Pueblo. HomeWrights Custom Homes. Simply better. Learn more at HomeWrights.com.